Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hi,
So
good
I
morning.
am Jason.
Okay.
I'm here helping out with accounting, teaching. So first of all, thank you for coming to this podcast and accepting the invitation for us for this podcast. Can you please briefly introduce yourself first?
Okay, my name is Zairul. Okay, this year is my second year.
Second year, okay.
Uh, for in
For this exam.
yeah,
Okay.
second year. Previously, I taking all the 6 subject.
Okay.
And I passed 3. Then now I need to repeat for this subject lah.
For this
Accounting. Yeah.
Accounting. Okay. No worries. So first of all, if you come back for accounting, must be because last year is quite a bit different, right?
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. The last year question has really changed a bit. But before we go into that, my first question to you is that what do you think is accounting about?
Okay, to me, accounting is all about is for us to understand the to me lah.
To you, yes, to you. Totally to you. To you.
To me, how we want to record all the transaction inside the company, the cash out and in, and all the liabilities, and how we to at the end of the year, how we want to know either our business is make profit or not. That's it.
Yes. Very good. Actually, accounting in very, how to say, very layman terms of in the past, right? They are actually called bookkeeping.
Okay,
Called
bookkeeping. Okay.
Yeah, very simple bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means they just say that, let's say today you got a receipt coming in, you want to record the receipt lah. Okay, whether this, and then you say, okay, let's say I buy something, so cash out, and then you buy something, that thing come in, and like you said, you record. And then throughout the whole year, macam the whole year, or let's say you want to set a few months or whatever, then all these receipts you collect, and maybe you make notes or whatever, you record everything inside an account book. And like what you said, after every 1 year or whatever, then you find out, okay, how much you actually earn or how much you lost, whether your business is doing well or not. Very good. That's basically what accounting is all about lah. Okay. Because after accounting we have auditing and tax, but we're not going to go into that. Yeah, because we are just very simple accounting. Yes, and that's quite what accounting is like. And what do you think the exams will be asking about in this accounting paper?
Okay, to me lah, my prediction is for the exam, they will asking about the ledger, the cash book, then the accounting terms, then how much we the student understand or the kita orang lah understand on what is the accounting is all about. That's it.
Okay. Yes, and that's, I think what you summarized for is very correct lah. Yeah, very basically that's what the gist of what they are actually asking you to do. Okay, basically accounting, what they are going to test is, of course, like what you said, like basic accounting knowledge. Okay, accounting terms, accounting concept. Yeah, these are the trend last time lah. Memang dia keluar macam ni. Mereka punya soalan memang macam ni. Tapi sekarang ni, like in recent times, they actually try to shift away from the accounting concept, accounting theory. Why? I believe there are 2 reasons. One thing is that as an accounting student, or they expect you as an accounting student, is that you already know this. Okay, and then these theories or concepts is already kind of like into the, when you do account, you already applied. So they might not want to like actually spend their time and asking you, but not to say they will not ask. Maybe at most just 1 question only. But mostly nowadays their focus is whether you know how to do the account itself or not. Maksudnya, whether you know how to record the account. So like you said, you know how to record in terms of journal or not. Okay, whether you know how to record in terms of cash book or not.
Cash book.
In ledger or not. Okay, these 3 is the most basic one. And later they will ask in terms of, let's say, for example, balance sheet. Balance sheet means what? Balance sheet is like the financial report, everything. Whether you know your company, okay, you can do your ledger, you can do your journal, but do you know whether you are earning money or not? So they want you to know, okay, how to do the balance sheet and the profit and loss account. Whether you know what is your company, how is your performance of the company, okay. And then some of the things is like, for example, reconciliation, bank statement reconciliation. Maksudnya, for example, you record very nicely in your cash book, but then when you see your bank statement, tak cun. Okay, your cash book and what your bank statement is tak cun. Why? Because bank need processing, right? Bank need processing. So the delay in processing makes your cash book and your bank statement tak cun. Not cun already. So what are you going to do? You have to do, because you cannot ask the bank to do the correction for you, right? Follow my cash book. Impossible. So you yourself have to know how to adjust your cash book based on your bank statement. Macam tu. Like this kind of very, very minor one. But basically, the concept is what they're going to ask you is actually to prepare you when you become estate agent. You can know yourself how your company is doing and not just depend on outside accountants. Okay, because account is still at the end of the day a bookkeeping job. Bookkeeping is you and me can do. You don't need to really find an accountant for you to do one. If you want to find, of course can, but if you don't want, also don't need lah. Right? But you need accountant for what? Auditing. That auditing you need a special license. But to get that auditing, you need to be accountant first. That is why we have a lot of accounting firms out there. One, they are not really helping you to do accounting work because you can do. They are earning you most of the money is because of auditing.
Because nowadays is kita orang kan all banyak software.
Yes, banyak software. Yes,
Do we still orang cakap masih perlu understand all the accounting system?
Okay, very good question.
Good system lah.
Yes, very good question. Okay, if you got the software, of course you can type everything into the software. Tapi you tak understand. You don't understand what is this about. You know why this go to debit? Why this go to credit? You might not know how does the accounting software function. So to know it yourself, like you boleh faham when you see the software. Why is this going to credit? Why is this going to debit like that? Okay, because with accounting concept, because you know how to record it yourself manually and not just into the software. Then you know what is this transaction about. You can understand, and because not just with the software can produce to you the statement but you look at the statement look at you. You know what is this, but you don't really know the heart inside. Macam tu. So it's good that you know basic, yes, very basic one. It's not that you are up to the standard of wanting to do ACCA. Itu memang professional accountant. We estate agent, we want to become estate agent. Our job is mainly to do what? Sales to help our client to find their dream home like that. So, but then we still have to need our basic knowledge in accounting because we are still managing a company. So, basic cash flow in and out, understand whether our company is doing well or not, we still need accountant. But professional, we bagi the professional like auditing. Okay? Okay. So, very good conversation. I think very good conversation. For the third question, is that how do you, because you come here especially that you come here for second time, right? For exam. So how do you think that we can help you better in tackling the exam, especially when we talk about just now, our exam, what is the exam going to test you?
Maybe we can do a lot of practice on doing the ledger, cash book, and understanding on about the bookkeeping itself.
Very good.
So when we practice a lot, maybe we can answer exam question is better lah.
Yes. And actually, because what you said is definitely true for accounting. No matter how I spend so much time talking in front of you, it is no use if you don't practice.
Still need practice to understand. Then after that, if we got answer it wrong, then we know lah. How to improve.
So for the practice part, you don't need to worry because with our EstateAgentExam.com online, we have all the past years. Okay, we have past years is very, very, how to say, enough for you to do the practice. And then don't worry, the practice is going to be very easy. Because like we said just now, we are about the basics. About the basics only. So you definitely have a lot of practice for you, and there's also like answer. If there's no answer, we will need to upload lah. But don't worry, we will do it for you. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Very good.